Here's a step-by-step guide to purchase and access the test series. Over here, there's a URL being mentioned. If you click on that, it will help you land to a page which looks like this. If you scroll down, you would be able to explore the offerings that this particular course has to offer. So, over here, there are 12 mock tests which would cover PCM subject, that is physics, chemistry, and mathematics. And along with that, you can go either for biology or computer science. Over here, the 12 mock tests are divided into 4 part tests where the 3 subjects would be there in one particular question paper. Whereas apart from that, there will be 8 full-length tests as well, which would include the individual subjects at one particular time. Apart from this, you can also learn Kannada, but this is an add-on option. So there will be test series and we would be providing you detailed solutions as well and one-shot revision videos to reinforce concept before the exam and doubt clarification classes. Now, if you want to look ahead into the schedule, you can click on the schedule bar. If you want to know more about the faculties, you can click on the faculty bar. Further, you can purchase the test series by clicking on the Buy Now button on the page. Over here, please note that for the subjects that is physics, chemistry, mathematics, as well as biology or CS, you would have to pay 599 rupees. And now, if you're clicking on an add-on option that is for Kannada, you would have to pay extra 199 rupees, making it a total of 798. And you have to fill in the details. Please make sure that you are filling in a valid mobile number as well. Now you can go ahead with completing the payment. There are 2 options. One is PhonePe, the other one is Razorpay. In PhonePe, there won't be any additional charges. If you are going through Razorpay, there will be minimal transactional charges. Once you are done the payment, you will be redirected to the confirmation page, which will look like this. Please make sure that you take down your order number. After you're done with that, upon successful payment, you will receive a WhatsApp message and an email on your registered phone number and email ID. These messages will include the steps similar to those outlined on the confirmation page. Now, you can use the link provided in the WhatsApp message, email, or the confirmation page to download the Novo Android app. Log in using your registered mobile number and then you will be receiving an OTP. After successfully logging in, you will land on Novo app dashboard. Navigate to the library section to find the subject-wise schedule. Use the sync button in the top right corner of the header each time you log in to refresh the content and view the updates. The first mock test will be available on 15th of December 2024 with subsequent tests following the schedule. Join our WhatsApp channel to receive the latest updates and announcements.